Hey folks, I'm back. This is going to be a series on solar systems, and I'm going to start with my solar panels right here. All right, so I have 4 panels on the roof. Still trying to learn how to use this this gyro, this gimbal. So I got 4 panels on the roof. See there, 3 of them. And then the fourth one is right here on the back. You see my car over there. And by the way, the deck is pretty much done. I got a few more panels to put in right there, and in front of this door right here. But other than that, and then I got these poles that are my handrails. Got 3 of them. I might put a 4th one in. I'm not sure yet. But I'll have cables running through these, connecting each one, so that nobody falls overboard. And I haven't decided if I'm going to put them on the other side of this thing here or not. They're going to be hard to get to. But anyhow, let's get back to the panels here. All right, so these are 24 volt panels, and the reason why I went with 24 is I was reading a lot of information that 24 volt system was more efficient, especially using a 24 volt inverter. Well, especially using an inverter, so that way when it, and my understanding is that my understanding is that it really doesn't help too much as far as DC is concerned, but it helps a lot as far as converting it to AC. I ran my air conditioner about a month ago strictly off the batteries or off the inverter, no shore power hooked up, and it only went down to about 26 or 27 volts. Started out at 28 point something. So after an hour, it still had plenty of power left to go, and it's a 5,000 watt, 5,000 BTU window air conditioner. So anyhow, you see the top of the bus here, and the 3 panels right here, and then the other one back over here. Also, I also have my trailer is got 2 24 volt panels on it, and all these 24 volt panels are, I think it's 325 watts each. So I got just over 2,000 watts in panels. All right, so I'm gonna actually go over there and get on top of the roof of the trailer and show you a better picture of the bus. So give me a minute. By the way, this is what it looks like from the ground. Now I'll give you a picture from the other side. All right, here's the other side. All right, let's go up the ladder. All right, now up I'm on my trailer. And here is the roof of the bus. So yes, that is 2,000 watts of solar power. Over 2,000 watts. By the way, that's my Wi-Fi antenna right there. And that light there is getting ready to move over to the other side, so I can have two lights on the right side where most of the activities will go on. All right, time to get back down. All right, so we're back inside the bus. So there are my batteries. I'm going to clean this off so you can see what it looks like down there. Okay, so those are my batteries there. They're wired in series. Those two batteries wired together. That's series. Negative to positive. Negative to positive. And negative to positive. And then they're hooked up positive, positive, and positive. This one, this side, they're hooked up negative, negative, and negative. So that is right there is series, and then the rest. So I got basically I have three 24-volt batteries wired in parallel. And those are parallel right there. So I think I'm going to end it there at this point for right now. This is going to be part one. Probably end up only having part two because I'm about halfway done. So anyhow, I hope you liked the video. I hope it was informative. Please, most importantly, like and share, and then please subscribe and hit that little bell next to the icon, and it'll inform you of new uploads from me. I hope you have a great day and be safe. See you later.